Hi everyone, welcome to Sketching Fine Art. Hope you're having a great day. So I've decided to do a vlog series on my YouTube channel purely because I guess there's just so many different things about art and kind of, lifestyle of graphic designers and illustrators and artists that you can talk about. Really what's in my day-to-day life that I want to talk about, and I thought it'd be a good idea to just set up this small little series where I do vlogs. I don't know how often I'm going to do them, we'll see how it goes, but yeah, so today's vlog I thought I'll just kind of talk about art supplies in general, drawing supplies, illustration supplies that you can get in your local supermarkets. I live in Manchester in the UK, so our kind of main go-to supermarkets are Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, and today I thought I'll just do a quick little recording of some of the things that I look at in the supermarkets. So I was just in Tesco today, and again, if you're an illustrator or an artist, or somebody who really loves stationery like myself, then you'll probably be like me and end up going and just having a look around in the stationery part of the stores. And I tend to do that every week when I go out with the with the kids to do the shopping. So I thought I'll do a quick little recording of this, and you'll be surprised, in the supermarkets these days they do have a very big range of supplies. I mean, I was looking at some fine liners today. I didn't actually go ahead and buy them because if I end up buying every time I go to the supermarket, I'll just have thousands and thousands of fine liners, and I think I'll be in trouble with the wife on that one. So again, you can get a lot of things online, cheaper usually, but if you do kind of shop around in the supermarkets in that stationery arty type section, you will find some decent offers. I tend to buy when the sales are on, buy more in bulk from the supermarkets, and you won't get specialist materials, but again, it depends what type of supermarket you're going to. If it's just like a Tesco's, which I was in today, then you're not really going to get specialist watercolours like the ones that I'm using, the Cotman, Winsor & Newton, or the professional ones. You ain't really going to get proper art supplies, but you'll just get some decent pens, for illustration work, and maybe some half decent paints. But again, for specialised materials, you would have to go to the specialist art stores, or just have a look online. So this year, hopefully, I'm gonna work more towards watercolour, because I've kind of been neglecting watercolour, especially last year. I was concentrating more on abstract work. So I'm going to try concentrating on watercolour. I mean, before this video, I think I did do the quick little unboxing of my full range of Cotman watercolours from Winsor & Newton. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to get a set of the professional watercolours, because I want to try doing more work this year using traditional material and more on selling that traditional material, final pieces. And again, the Cotman range, like the one that I'm using now, with this little drawing that I'm doing of this house, this isn't really good enough to sell from my point of view, in my opinion, because they're not very light fast, so the colours will fade over time, whereas the professional range is much more suitable to sell final pieces of artwork. So I think what I might do is I might purchase some of them in the coming weeks, and then I'll do a review of both the Cotman range and the professional range by Winsor & Newton, and then come up with the pros and cons. But again, I've said this before, generally if you're just using art to draw as a hobbyist, or just for fun, then I wouldn't really spend too much money on the professional range. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little vlog. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't done so. Please leave the video with a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep sketching, relax, and peace.